Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20+ years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we'll be showing you how to remove and install the blower motor, the fan, heater, and AC blower motor on this 01 Ford Taurus. Same as pretty much any 96 to 07 Taurus. The only tool you'll need is an 8mm socket and ratchet or a wrench. And usually the symptoms of a blower motor going bad is the blower motor starts making noise, a high-pitched squealing or a low-pitched hum. Generally, if your blower motor doesn't work at certain speeds, you need to check your blower motor resistor. So looking at the glove box, and then up underneath, there's just a big trim panel, and you can see there's two pins, one there and one there, and you're just going to want to kind of reach in and pull them down. And those are going to come off kind of easy. They'll probably be a little difficult for you, especially this one over here. And up in, you can see right here's our motor, and there are 3 screws holding it in. One there, and then 2 up top. Show you. There's one over there, and then I think there's one, yeah, right up in there. And those are 8mm, so we'll remove those. If you open your glove box and then you take these little ears and kind of force them in, your glove box will come down, and you can see that you can, if you need to access those bolts with a wrench, you can access it from in here. And this is just a little note to show you in case you have to use an 8mm wrench. I actually use a socket and extension, so I just go from the underneath, but you can reach it here through the glove box. Probably the best thing is to have a 8mm socket with a ratchet and an extension. Just before we go too far, here's your connector. And you're going to want to kind of stick your hand in there, pry it apart. And pull it off. And once you have 3 bolts out, you just kind of want to grab hold of it pretty good. Shake it a little bit. And it'll come down. You don't want to get stuck in the carpet and stuff. And out. So here's our new motor from 1A Auto. Here's the original. You can see everything's the same. The connection's the same. It's going to all bolt up and go in just like the original. Okay, actually in this car the original one is working fine, so I'm going to reinstall that. I just want to show you for comparative purposes so you know you're going to get the right stuff from 1A Auto. Okay, so putting it back up in is just a reverse. You want to make sure you have the flat part near the dash here. Move your wire out of the way. Push it up and in. There are guide pins here that help you make sure it goes in there correctly. And please excuse my head here, it's not exactly easy to film without getting in the way. Start one of our bolts in there. And we'll start one of the others. Sorry for my head. Start another bolt.
here. And then reconnect our harness. And now we can put our trim plate back up.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.